You are going to love the 2025 Canyon. With one of the most powerful standard 4-cylinder engines in the class, the Canyon lets you enjoy 18 city, 25 highway EPA estimated MPG, and is engineered to absorb the bumps, handle the curves, supply superb traction, and provide seating for 5. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, 4-wheel drive, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.